Hey, how's it going? I am back. We on the road here. So today I got my package from a planner friend that I met, Rhonda, it was chasing papers and pens over on YouTube. And she and I both attended the Little Craft Fest and I got to meet her. And when I was watching her review of all the things that she had purchased, I saw this sticker, washi tape, PET tape that she had, and I was just like, "Oh, I gotta check that shop out," because I was so like, "Oh man, I want some of that." Anyway, she said, "I'll send you some." And so she said, "I'll send you some." So I was like, "Oh, okay, I'm gonna send you some too." So she opened my package yesterday, and boy, oh boy, did she send me some washi tape. I know I was going to be excited. Like, this is crazy uh, how things could make you happy. So, um, I hope you will, and I hope you enjoy your samples of washi. I am going to enjoy every bit of it. So, and these little tiny paper clips too. I'm keeping those. Those are so cute. I don't know. Let me see if I can pick them up. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. This is a little tiny. So I saw this on her post, and it's the bubble letters. I need this is just a teaser. I'm gonna have to give me a couple rolls. The shop was closed last week, and I think it's AMB AMB. I'll put it on the screen just to make sure. But I'm geeked about this. Let's see, and this one's called Love Letters. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All the colors, all my vibes. The chocolate. I don't know if it's picking up on the screen. That is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Oh man. I give me an order in as soon as they open. This one's called Basic Beige Grunge. Rhonda wrote down every name. Okay. She was talking about all the stuff I did. I didn't write the names down. I apologize. Of the stuff that I gave her. So my bad. So this, oh my goodness, this is right up my alley. This brown, the tans, I love it. And this brick walnut graffiti. Oh yeah. Cute, cute, cute. AMB paper and something. I really hate that. I can't think of the name. But these paper clips, they're awesome. This one's nostalgia. I really like this one. I like the old look of things and the typewriter and the sewing machine, the journal, the stamp, the key. I just love this. Rhonda, thank you so much. I feel like I couldn't send you enough stuff. This is so nice. It's one thing about pet tape. You get so much of it and you decorate so much of it. At one point you get like you can overdo it. You can be very creative, but it's always good to just share and change. This one is really nice. It has little moments like Polaroid. I didn't catch the name of this one. I must have missed that one. But every enjoy moments before they become memories. That is really, really nice. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Rhonda. Oh my goodness. What a blessing to meet people that show up the way they show up on camera as well as in person. That's so cool. I love it. Thank you. And I'm gonna keep my little paper clips. I'm gonna pull these to the side. Thank you so much. All right, so this video probably going up right around before Mother's Day, and y'all, I just been dealing with that fact the best way I can. So I saw a post. It's like everything that I buy between May 1st and May 12th is a Mother's Day gift to myself. I was like, I said yes, that's true. So I placed the order from JetPens, and then if you ever shopped at JetPens, you know that you get free shipping if you do $35. So why not, right? So let's do a, um, a haul here. What I got from JetPens. Okay, so starting out, I ordered some ink. That joke with them black gloves in that last video was a trip. This is Diamond Found Inks, and this color is Hope Pink. I will test it. I just wanted a rich pink color, and it showed up magenta on the website. I bought some. Now, what I realized is that I bought refills. These are the refills to the Tombow. It's the three different kind of refills. One was like a temporary, the permanent adhesive, the removable adhesive, and then the mono dots. So I just wanted to. I'm gonna start with the blue one because this is the one I use for everything. This is the permanent one, and then you have the removable, and then you have the dots. So that was a 3-pack. That was a good deal. It is if you're looking for it on the website, Tombow Mono Adhesive Tape Runner Refill mixed. So it's a mixed kind. You can never have so many Futanusques if you are journaling or doing titling labels on your it comes with a little template so you can draw boxes because it is from Korea, and so it comes in that packaging. This is the hard tip. I prefer the hard tip Futanusque. And let me see, did I get a soft tip or did I buy 2 hard tips? I believe so. I bought a soft tip. So I'm trying to do more with my hand lettering and get better at it. And this is the soft tip. Yeah. So I bought those. And that's what came in there. And then I picked up 3 individual pens. And believe it or not, this is between, the ink and that's the $35. This is a Uniball Signal in 0.28. I am trying out some different handwriting in my books, and I wanted to find the fine tip. So this is a 0.28 Uniball Signal. This Pentel Arts Hybrid Technica is this was suggested by Confidence on Canva. LaQuisha. She suggested this when I took her journaling class. This is in 0.4. She had beautiful handwriting in her book, and it was just a thin pen, and that I wanted to try. And then this last one is a Uniball Signal 0.38. So this one is the Signal RT, and this is the Signal regular Signal RT1, and this is in 0.38. I'll pen test those in just a second. Okay, so we're gonna get up close and personal, and I didn't have my black gloves on, so getting up close personal with this video. This is a Genhao 82. I don't think I ever showed this on my YouTube channel. It was brand new. I never put any ink in it, and so this is the first time, this debut. I've had it for a while, actually like last year sometime, but I put the Hope Pink in, and I'm going to do a pen ink test. So this is Genhao 82 fine nib. Oh, I love this color. Let me see. I'm trying to remember. No, it comes out dark and ends up fading out to a pink. So diamond. I don't know. It's got shimmer to it too. It's really pretty. Let me see. And it's really pink. Now, it's right up my alley because I love pink. So that's why I chose this pen to put it in. Yeah, I like this color. So this is the Hope pink color and the Jinhao 82. It's not scratchy, and this is my style, just my commonplace notebook that I do a lot of documented phone calls, and when I'm talking on the phone, I don't want to mess up my planner. Okay, so now this first gel pen we're going to use is the Uniball Signal RT1. And let's try that. And this is in a 0.28. Now I have I bought a 0.28. I can't. Did I buy? I bought a pack of these. I have to go put it. I was trying to see what the difference is. Hold on. So this is the pen. I bought a pack of these. I'm not sure why I picked this up. Because I had just bought a pack of those from Amazon. So I guess I thought they were different. Let's move on. This is the Uniball Signal RT1 in 0.38. It's a little less scratchy. That's for sure. If you like a real small pen, small tip gel pen, this is for you. Yeah. So that's that one. That is, I think I'm gonna have to get a case of 3/8. The 0.28 is a small nib, but it can be scratchy, and I'm just trying to get used to it. Now this is the hybrid point in the 0.4 Pentel Arts Hybrid Technica. That's a whole mouthful, so I'm gonna write that. Oh, this is just smooth like butter. It just, I mean, if you're looking for that writer, yeah, this is it. This is smooth. It just, wow. Yep, this is a good one. This is a good one, and I'm not on line paper, so that I can imagine will be a good example. Well, that can be a good pen to use if you want to write small but neat. Um, yeah. Okay, and that is it for my haul. I won't do the food and news case. I mean, you can find um, people using these everywhere on the internet, so that's not uh, too of a I don't need to show that. But I thank you for taking time to hang out with me as I did a small haul, and I hope to talk to you in the next one.